Stories for Kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Forfoe and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Magical Journey to Dreamland. Once upon a time, in a world where dreams came alive, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had a special gift, the ability to enter and explore the magical realm of dreams. Every night, as she closed her eyes, she would be transported to a land filled with wonder and adventure. One night, as Lily drifted off to sleep, she found herself in a bustling dream city called Sparkleville. The city was made entirely of shimmering crystals that reflected a dazzling array of colors. It was a place where imagination ruled and anything was possible. In Sparkleville, Lily met a mischievous but friendly talking cat named Kelvin. Kelvin had a knack for finding the most trivial dreams and was always up for an adventure. With a flick of his tail, he invited Lily to join him on an extraordinary journey through the Dreamland. Their first stop was Dreamer Delight, a magical dessert shop where clouds were whipped into cotton candy and rainbow melted into ice cream. Lily and Oliver shoved the sweet treats, their laughter echoing through the dream city. Next, they adventured into the enchanted forest, where the trees whispered secrets and mystical creatures roamed freely. They met a playful unicorn named Stardust, who had a shimmering mane and a kind heart. Together, they rode through fields of luminescent flowers, their joy radiating in the moonlit night. As their journey continued, Lily and Kelvin found themselves in the kingdom of wishes. The sky adorned with floating lanterns that carried hopes and dreams. They met a wise old owl named Athena, who granted wishes with her magical wisdom. Lily closed her eyes and made her wish, and released her lantern into the night sky, filling her heart with hope. The dawn's final destination was the Starlight Castle, where dreams were born. The castle sparkled with stardust and held the dreams of children from all over the world. Lily and Kelvin met the Dream Keeper, a wise and gentle guardian who shared stories of courage and imagination. Filled with awe and inspiration, Lily realized the power of dreams. She understood that dreams were not just fleeting thoughts during sleep, but the catalyst for creativity and the fuel for achieving goals in the waking world. With a heavy heart, Lily bid farewell to Sparkleville, knowing that her time in the Dreamland would come to an end. As she opened her eyes, she carried the magic of the Dreamland within her. From that day forward, Lily cherished her dreams and used them as stepping stones to make her waking world a better place. She became a storyteller, sharing the wonders and lessons of her dreams and adventures with others, inspiring them to dream big and believe in the extraordinary. And so, as Lily drifted off to sleep each night, she smiled, knowing that the journey to the Dreamland awaited her, filled with endless possibility and enchantment. The end.